As developers, we should always review our code before committing. It's the first level of quality assurance, making sure only the intended code ends up in version control. And I believe this matters more than ever, now that AI is doing a lot of the coding. Remember, we submit the code, it's our responsibility. And that's why, for me, a pre-flight check is mandatory. There's a simple and pragmatic solution when working with Git. Run git diff and review the output directly in the terminal. A slightly more convenient option is redirecting the output and inspecting it inside Visual Studio Code. Both approaches work, and normally I would stop here, because they are simply good enough and writing custom tooling is usually not worth the effort. But with AI doing most of the work, the game has changed. So couldn't we make this a little nicer, almost without effort? Integrate it directly into Visual Studio Code, execute it via a command or even a keyboard shortcut, and format it in a more readable way? Let's have some fun and see how easily I can improve my working environment by vibe coding a Visual Studio Code extension. For maximum vibe, let's even have AI generate the optimal prompts. I use ChatGPT to plan the project and to generate precise and focused prompts. I then pass these prompts to GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code, which uses Claude Opus to implement everything step by step. When starting any task, it is important to remember habit number 2. Begin with the end in mind. This applies here as well, and it may be even more important when we let AI do most of the work. So my first step is to tell ChatGPT what I want to build, how the result should look, and how I want to run the coding session. With the stage set, let's start by defining guide rails for Copilot, defining what is important to me in terms of design and implementation. This is a crucial step for successful vibe coding projects, not only to get the desired result, but also to ensure the code follows clear rules and guidelines. These instructions go into the .github folder into a file called GitHub instructions.md, and then I ask Copilot to confirm them. With that in place, let's ask for the first prompt. Its only goal is to create the basic setup of a Visual Studio Code extension. From there, everything will be extended step by step. The next prompt executes git diff and captures its output. For now the result is kept in a plain string, parsing comes in the next step. The next prompt focuses on parsing the git diff output into a structured data model that can later be used for rendering. I always like to apply at least basic separation of concerns. Now it's time to introduce a renderer that produces HTML with basic formatting for the diff output. If needed, the result can be refined later. At this point, only one final command is needed to wire everything together, adding a command and displaying the rendered HTML inside a VS Code window. And that's it! Let's package the extension and see how it looks in action. This is already pretty cool. To finish the session, let's add a keyboard shortcut and a short description to the README. The project already looks really solid. Without recording, this would probably only take a few minutes, which makes sharpening the saw with vibe coding even more attractive. And the code does not look bad at all. I'm pretty sure every developer can understand it easily. I will continue fine-tuning it later. You can find the latest version on GitHub, the link is in the video description. What's your view on my vibe coding setup? Let me know in the comments.